Hello, I am Ishita and I'm currently pursuing my BA Honours degree in Liberal Arts from Symbiosis School for Liberal Arts, Viman Nagar, Pune. And today I am going to give you a glimpse of life at SSRA. So, campus vibe wise, we recently shifted to a standalone building. Earlier, there was one floor which was dedicated for SSLA and it felt more close knit. But now that we've shifted, it is slowly becoming home and it feels very SSLA coded with all the student graffiti and the colorful art. Most of our classrooms have air conditioners and the washrooms are very hygienic. So, since it's a liberal arts college, the timetables vary a lot. Some days you might have 4 classes, some day you might just have 1 class, and classes run in strict 2 hour slots. And the first class usually starts at 7 a.m. and goes on till 9 a.m. and the last class starts at 5 p.m. and ends at 7 p.m. So in our 2 hour classes, we only get a 10-minute break or a 5-minute break, and we have to go all the way to Simbi Eats, which is our canteen. So we barely have time to like grab a vada pav and chai, and all of us are basically surviving on the same. The lunch break is from 11:45 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So most of us eat in the Simbi Eats cafeteria, and sometimes we like to go out and eat in the eateries nearby in Viman Nagar. And when there is free time between our classes, we mostly hang out in the aisles, or a lot of students go to professors to clarify doubts. And most of us are mostly chilling in probably the reading room and a lot of other spaces at SSLA. So some semesters you might get a Saturday off, some semesters you might not get a Saturday off. So luck plays a huge role here. Now moving on to placements. So, if you're looking for mass recruitment or a high paying campus job, SSLA will not be a safe bet for you. Most of the students here go for masters abroad or in India. But what consistently stands out in SSLA is the faculty. They're extremely well read and dedicated to enhancing the overall student experience in SSL. Fees, however, is on the higher end. 4.5 LPA is expensive, but liberal arts in India in general is very expensive.
Beyond classrooms, we have a lot of sports facilities, cricket ground, lawn tennis, football ground, basketball and volleyball court. We have a gym at our campus and the gym timings are 6 to 9 a.m. and 3 to 8 p.m.
Time for the final verdict. If you're here for academic depth, exploration, and interdisciplinary learning, I would give SSLA a solid 4 on 5 in this department. For ROI and placements, I would rate it a 2.5 on 5. For the curriculum and for the faculty, I would give it a 5 on 5. And for infrastructure, I would give it a 3.5 on 5. That's it. Hope this helps.